Today I'm on a mission to save my roses from being broken and scattered by the horrible storms we've had these past few days. It was still spring last week and now it feels like winter again. Four more days of this are expected, and my heart aches watching my poor plants being battered by the gusts. I really hope the ones I planted last week will make it through. There aren't a lot of blooms yet, just a few, but they are enough, and I would rather use them now than watch the wind tear them apart. Back in the kitchen, I change into something a little more 50s housewife, just to make the ritual feel a bit more special. The first step is removing the petals gently, making sure they're clean and fresh. I warm up 1 part water first, and then add equal amount of rose petals and let them simmer on low heat until they lose their color. That way the scent stays soft and natural. While the petals are simmering, I'm preparing my bottles. I use alcohol to clean them properly. This vintage atomizer will live on my vanity, and the rest will go in the fridge for later use. Soon the scent fills the room. Sweet, calming, nostalgic. Rosewater keeps for about a week at room temperature, longer if refrigerated. I keep the extra in small containers for future use. A few sprays every morning will help tone the skin, calm redness, and add a soft, natural scent. It's refreshing, hydrating, and made with nothing but garden roses and water. The wind is still howling, but I hope the next time you see me, it will feel like spring again. If you've made it to this point, let me know in the comments what is your favorite homemade beauty recipe. I would love to try it. And if you enjoyed this, I invite you to watch more of my vintage slow living videos next.